what's your major? Hey, what grade are you in? Hey, haven't I seen you around class somewhere? Oh, I'll see you around the cafeteria. Cool. Hey, which way's the gym? Attention class, somebody has a phone call. This is your professor speaking. Class is now in session. Please, take your phone call. Thank you.
Attention class. Whoever's phone is ringing, please silence your ringer immediately per the rules of this classroom. Thank you for not using your cell phone during class time. Hey girls, are you ready for back to school? We have so much shopping to do. We gotta get our nails done, and our makeup done, and our hair done. Oh my god, what are you gonna wear the first day of school? Pick up your phone, we have to get ready.